Hi there, this is Miss Wismar, and this tutorial will show users how to log into Destiny Online Catalog. Now, for me to start, I just need to go to Bethel's home page and then choose my school from the drop-down menu of district schools. I'm going to choose Bethel High School. And once I get there, I'm going to go to the Media Center. And on the Media Center's page, you're going to see a link on the left-hand side of the screen. Let's let this load for just a moment. That says Destiny Online Catalog. And Destiny Online Catalog is where we go to find all of our books. So right here, we're going to look and we're going to go to Bethel High School. And I could just stop here and I could look up a book and I could see whether we have it available, some information about it, maybe read the first chapter of it online. But if I want to use even more features or maybe even check my account, I can go and log into Destiny. And I'm going to log in using my login ID, which is my PowerSchool ID number, and then my password, which is my student ID number. So again, that's my PowerSchool ID here and my student ID number here. I'm going to press login and hopefully it'll work. And there I am. This is Joe Student. You can see my name is right up here and all the information if I wanted to log out is right in the corner. Okay, so I'm on the catalog page, and again, I could just use this, look up some books. I could also put them into my own resource list if I wanted to. But one of the nice features of using the login features is this tab called My Info. And on the My Info page, you can see if you have a book out of the library, if you have any fines on books that you did have out of the library and you turned in late. You can see if you have anything overdue, it'll tell you your due dates. You can also see if you put anything on hold, and you can use this recommended titles, which we haven't used a lot lately, but we're going to start using more of this stuff, hopefully. And so that's your patron status. You can also look here at the resource lists, and this is your personal list. So what I could do is in my search, I could actually create my own list of books that I either want to read or maybe I'm using for a project. But you can also consult the public list, which is where all the independent reading books live. So say I was a freshman, Joe is a freshman, and he's in English 11. He can click here and he can see whether there's any books he might be interested in, you know, Needles or perhaps Fahrenheit 451. That's a good one. All right, so, and if he wanted to, he could click into the title itself, see if there's anything interesting. He can use Title Peek, which is a cool feature. It shows you reviews about the book, and it also shows you, like this is the first chapter of the book, so you can read some of it online. But to go back, I'm just going to go back to catalog, and so that's my info tab, tells me if I have any books out, all that information. I also want to show today how to make a book review on using Destiny. Some of the classes are starting to do that as an assignment, and those people who are actually interested in it could just do it on their own. It's kind of like Amazon. It has a star rating, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to look up this book, World War Z, which, let me tell you, fabulous book, all about the zombie apocalypse, which is really crazy, but it's a really great book. And Joe liked it too. So Joe's going to look it up in the catalog, and he's going to say, okay, I'm going to click in the record, and he's going to say, gosh, look how popular that is. 1 of 8 copies. That means we have 8 copies and 7 of them are out right now. Wow, that's a popular book. So I'm going to go to the reviews tab. This is the title details. It just tells me whether the book is available. I could place a hold on it by pressing this button right here called Hold It. But what I'm going to do today is I'm going to go into the reviews because I've already read this and Joe already read it. So what he's going to do is he's going to add a review. And he's going to give it 5 stars. He's going to say it's awesome. If 4 is pretty good, but this one's awesome. And he's going to say, gosh, this was a great book. Okay? Another cool thing you can do in Destiny is if you created a book trailer for it, you can actually upload any electronic file and you can put it as connected to this book review. So I could put a title in here and I could choose a file from my computer and see if there's something available for me. But right now I'm just going to keep it simple and just do that. But if I did want to, I can put a book trailer there, maybe something from Animoto or something. So I'm going to press save. This was a great book. And you'll see this little disclaimer right here that says your review will be posted as soon as it is approved. Everything that goes into Destiny as a book review has to be approved either by me, Miss Wismar, or by an English teacher. So that kind of keeps things, you know, under wraps, but it doesn't mean I don't want you to write reviews. I definitely do, but it just means that I get to read them first before they appear in the catalog. So, but what's really cool is once you do post those reviews, I'm going to show you an example. Like if I were to look up a really popular book, like The Hunger Games, you're going to see these star ratings that are on there? You can see there's reviews on there, and these are reviews that were written by other people. So you're going to see that, you know, these were some reviews written by maybe even middle school reviews, but some of them are high school reviews too. And you can see right here is actually a book trailer for The Hunger Games. So if you're interested, you can take a look at that book trailer. So anyway, this was just a little tutorial to get you started using Destiny Online. And if you have any questions in regard to it, please don't hesitate to ask. You can always find me in the Media Center or drop me an email. It's Miss Wismar again, or you can ask your English teacher and hopefully they can help you with it too. All right, thank you very much.